What if I told you that one simple habit connects some of the world's most successful people? Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk. Most people believe success comes from talent, luck, or working longer hours. But behind their achievements lies a quiet habit that rarely makes headlines. It's called the 5-hour rule. Just 1 hour a day, 5 days a week, dedicated to one thing: learning. While most people spend their free time scrolling through social media, watching random videos, or reacting to life, the most successful people invest in the one asset that no one can ever take away from them: knowledge. The 5-hour rule simply means setting aside 1 hour every weekday to improve yourself, not to work, not to answer emails, not to chase distractions, just to learn. Bill Gates is famous for taking Think Weeks, where he isolates himself with books to read and reflect. Warren Buffett spends hours reading every day because he believes knowledge grows like compound interest. Every page you read today quietly increases your value tomorrow. The truth is, successful people don't stop learning after school. They make learning a lifelong habit. So why don't most people do the same? Because learning doesn't give instant rewards. Reading 10 pages won't make you rich tomorrow. Practicing a skill for 20 minutes won't completely change your life overnight. But success has never been about overnight results. It's built through small actions repeated consistently over time. Every great achievement begins with a small decision that most people ignore. The 5-hour rule is based on 3 simple habits. The first is reading. Books give you access to decades of experience in just a few hours. Every book is like having a conversation with someone who has already solved the problems you're facing. A single idea from one chapter can completely change the direction of your life. The second habit is reflection. Learning without thinking is like collecting tools you'll never use. Ask yourself every day, what did I learn? What mistake did I make? What can I improve tomorrow? Reflection transforms information into wisdom, and wisdom leads to better decisions. The third habit is experimentation. Knowledge without action changes nothing. Read the idea, test it, fail if you have to, learn from it, then try again. Every experiment teaches a lesson that no classroom ever could. Think about a bamboo tree. For years, almost nothing grows above the ground. It looks like nothing is happening. Many people would give up because they can't see results. But beneath the surface, the roots are spreading deeper and stronger every single day. Then, almost suddenly, the bamboo grows rapidly toward the sky. Your growth works exactly the same way. Every page you read, every lesson you reflect on, every skill you practice, every mistake you learn from, they're building roots that no one else can see. One day, people will look at your success and call you lucky. They'll never see the hundreds of quiet hours you invested in becoming the person you are. Imagine 2 versions of yourself 5 years from now. One spends every evening scrolling through endless content, always saying they'll start tomorrow. The other spends just 1 hour a day reading, reflecting, and improving. At first, there's almost no difference between them, but months become years. One becomes more confident, makes wiser decisions, spots opportunities others never notice, builds valuable skills. The other stays exactly where they started. Not because they lacked intelligence, not because they lacked talent, but because they stopped learning while the other never did. The beautiful thing about the 5-hour rule is that anyone can start today. You don't need to be rich. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect conditions. All you need is 1 hour, 20 minutes to read, 20 minutes to reflect, 20 minutes to practice. That's only 5 hours each week. Less time than many people spend scrolling through social media in a single day. So when this video ends, ask yourself one simple question: where will your next 5 hours take you? Because your future isn't created by the big decisions you make once in a while, it's created by the small habits you repeat every single day. Start learning today. Because the greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market or a business, it's in your own mind. And unlike money, the knowledge you earn can never be taken away from you.